The company's stock and company saw revenue jump 17% in the third quarter, boosted its outlook for the fourth quarter, now expecting revenue of $599 million to $603 million. Shares ripping to the upside right now by about 19% here on the day.
Everyone is on the edge of their seats as we approach Palantir Technologies' crucial earnings release on February 5th. Investors eagerly await insights into the company's Q4 2023 performance, seeking a deeper understanding of the factors that could sway Palantir's stock in the coming days. How did the last quarter unfold for Palantir, and what key elements will shape its trajectory moving forward?
Yeah, well, AI, Andrew, is going to be something that impacts productivity. That's what really matters here, right? At the end of the day, what are we all doing with these markets, with these businesses? You want to create more with less. You want to create more prosperity for society. When you have something like electricity, it takes decades to work its way through everything, right? Electricity, I think 30 years in, you finally had factories designed to use electricity. But even in the first decade, it did a lot of other things.
Right.
AI right now, it's going after a lot of areas. We're seeing already how it could raise the margins, how it could address things. There's lots of service areas of the economy. I'll give you one example. Healthcare billings, a $280 billion revenue area, and we're already seeing how AI is probably going to be able to double the margins in that area, which basically means you pull $100 billion of spend out of the economy. That's new wealth it creates through productivity. There's probably going to be trillions of dollars of that in the next 5 years.
You think in the next 5 years that happens?
I think you actually see by the mid to late 2020s, economic numbers showing up where productivity's gone up.
Over the past months, Palantir has experienced noteworthy fluctuations, capturing attention amid concerns of a potential correction linked to the perceived AI bubble. The stock's rapid ascent has left some questioning its sustainability, contributing to a climate of heightened uncertainty that has a palpable impact on investor sentiment. As the February 5th deadline approaches, the financial landscape surrounding Palantir remains uncertain, leading to divergent opinions on whether investors should maintain their positions or consider selling. Some argue that the stock's accelerated growth may have outpaced its intrinsic value, potentially warranting a cautious approach. On the flip side, bullish proponents highlight the inherent strengths of Palantir and its potential to weather market shifts. You see, there are several pivotal factors at play when it comes to anticipating the outcomes of Palantir Technologies' upcoming earnings release. First and foremost, investors are eagerly eyeing the possibility of revenue and earnings beats, examining whether Palantir can surpass expectations in these critical financial metrics. Real data and statistics will be the touchstones, providing a concrete measure of the company's performance. Equally crucial are the guidance updates and insights into Palantir's artificial intelligence platform that may be disclosed during the earnings call. These revelations can often serve as strategic markers, influencing investor sentiment and confidence in Palantir's long-term prospects. However, the broader context of market sentiment cannot be overlooked. The overall market climate, influenced by economic factors, industry trends, and global events, plays a substantial role in shaping how investors perceive Palantir's performance. Positive market sentiment can act as a tailwind, propelling Palantir stock upward despite modest beats or inline results. Meanwhile, negative sentiment can amplify the impact of any unfavorable news, potentially leading to a more pronounced market reaction. But did you know there's more to Palantir's potential than just the earnings figures? Let's zoom in on the forward-looking indicator of commercial customer growth, a critical metric that often sets the tone for future performance. Data indicate that a surge in commercial customer numbers can be a positive signal, reflecting increased adoption and trust in Palantir solutions. Now, picture this, the possibility of Palantir being added to the illustrious S&P 500 index. Looking into the data, one can observe that stocks added to the S&P 500 often experience a short-term boost. The prestige and visibility associated with joining this widely followed index can attract investor attention and trigger a surge in demand. Short-term catalysts, like the S&P 500 inclusion, become paramount in decision-making. Investors keen on seizing opportunities may find such events can lead to immediate market reactions. Considering the historical market impact of S&P 500 additions, it becomes evident that these catalysts play a pivotal role in shaping the short-term trajectory of Palantir stock.
AI is going to be highly disruptive, is going to disintermediate some of these platforms, not all of them, and that it may be the worst thing that has happened to a company like Google.
Meanwhile, let's zoom out on the broader trends shaping Palantir's trajectory. The ongoing AI secular growth trend stands out as a powerhouse. As businesses globally embrace AI solutions, Palantir's commercial offerings are positioned for substantial growth, underlined by the upward trajectory in adoption and demand. Shifting gears, the influence of rising geopolitical tensions on Palantir's governmental business is a crucial factor. Examining the data reveals that heightened geopolitical uncertainties, like the ones in Ukraine and Israel, often lead to increased demand for advanced intelligence and data analytics solutions. With its robust governmental business segment, Palantir finds itself in a strategically advantageous position, ready to cater to the evolving needs of governments navigating geopolitical complexities. Looking beyond short-term fluctuations, the potential for steady growth in the long run becomes evident. Historical performance data showcases Palantir's resilience and adaptability, aligning with the sustained growth potential. As the AI and data analytics market matures, Palantir's diversified portfolio and strategic positioning pave the way for continued expansion and market prominence. However, Palantir has received its share of cautionary signals, notably from a bearish analyst who predicts a significant 26% decline in Palantir stock. The concerns center around critical factors, including valuation and the intricacies of government contracts. Examining the data, the bearish sentiment hinges on the perceived overvaluation of Palantir's stock. Statistics reveal a trailing 12-month price-to-earnings ratio of 238.39 times, raising eyebrows and prompting questions about whether the market has adequately priced the company's potential risks and challenges. The valuation aspect becomes a key factor driving the bearish projections, signaling a cautious stance from certain quarters. Government contracts, a cornerstone of Palantir's business, are also scrutinized. The bearish analyst highlights a deceleration in government business and a lack of updates on recovery timelines. This factor intensifies the negative sentiment, suggesting that Palantir's commercial segment must shoulder more growth responsibilities. This bearish sentiment aligns with a cautious tone echoed in both consensus and individual analyst ratings. Examining the broader analyst landscape, there's a notable presence of hold, moderate sell, and strong sell ratings. But before we continue, we just want to thank you for watching this far. But if you're looking to invest or hold Palantir stock, you need to recognize it for what it is, a high-risk, high-reward player in the dynamic AI sector. One of Palantir's standout features is its competitive edge, particularly in the government and commercial sectors. Realizing this advantage involves acknowledging the company's long-term contracts with government agencies, where it has solidified its role in critical areas like national security and intelligence. Simultaneously, Palantir's foray into the commercial sector, providing data analytics solutions to corporations like BP, Airbus, and 3M, demonstrates its versatility and broad market appeal. Amidst the speculative terrain, there's a tangible anchor in Palantir's profitability over the past 4 quarters. Statistics highlight this streak, indicating that the company has been a profitable player in the AI game. This track record positions Palantir as a potential long-term growth player, offering investors a glimpse into the sustainability of its financial performance. However, navigating the Palantir investment landscape requires a discerning eye on the risks. One notable concern is the decelerating revenue growth, which has sparked caution among analysts and investors. Data shows a shift from the triple-digit surges of 2023 to a steadier pace, prompting a closer examination of Palantir's ability to maintain growth momentum. Another risk factor is the high valuation, a point of contention among market observers. Real statistics, such as the elevated 67.8 times forward earnings, raise questions about whether the market has adequately priced in the potential challenges and uncertainties surrounding Palantir. Now, if we look back at Q3 earnings, it's crucial to zoom out and explore the broader picture, encompassing various data analytics stocks, including Palantir. Palantir's Q3 performance, backed by revenues of $558 million and a 17% year-on-year growth, stands out in the data analytics landscape. Examining the financial metrics vis-a-vis its peers reveals strengths and potential areas for scrutiny. It's a numbers game, where Palantir's 23% growth in commercial revenue and an EPS of 7 cents provide a baseline for evaluating its market competitiveness. Palantir's stock experienced a 126% rally post-earnings over the past year, indicating market confidence. Statistics showcase a trailing 12-month price-to-earnings ratio of 67.7, offering insights into the stock's valuation. The stock currently trades at a $36.4 billion market cap, showcasing its market presence. However, the importance of a comparative analysis cannot be overstated. Palantir's financial metrics, while impressive, need to be viewed in the context of its peers' performances. So, how does Palantir fare in the competitive realm of data analytics, and what factors should investors prioritize for an informed decision? Drop your thoughts in the comment section down below. Moreover, if you want to see more detailed information about Palantir stock, simply tap on this video link. Appreciate you joining us, and keep an eye out for more thrilling content coming your way.